closed. Year-to-end performance of the stock market was 15.36 thereabout, which itself was fine, but the moving average rate over 3 years by far did better by outperforming inflation for the period in spite of the high trend of inflation. So the stock market had performed much better if you use the 3 years moving average to judge the performance of the stock. Having said that, today was bullish, and it's a beautiful sight to behold bulls overrunning bears in the marketplace. The All-Share Index gained 0.12%, closing at 51657.56 basis points. There were 4,156 deals done on the floor today. The volume of transaction was 265,725,890, and the value of that transaction is 13,528,804,034. That is 13.5 billion naira worth of transaction happened today. The market cap stood at 28,136,480,182,378.13. These were the sectorial performances today. All the sectors except industrial index gained. The NGS oil and gas was neutral, standing at 462.38 basis point. The NGS banking index gained 0.51%, standing at 430.54 basis point. The industrial index, like I said earlier, lost 0.77%, closing at 2384.73 basis point. The NGS 30 most capitalized stocks. You may do well to know the stocks that make it up now, because a few of them have been moved away. Some have joined it. The likes of Wema joined the NGS 30, standing at 0.14%, closing at 1856.76 basis point. The insurance index today gained 0.93%, closing at 180.47 basis point. The top 5 gainers today were Living Trust that gained full 10%, closing at 1 naira 76 kobo per unit. NACO, the aviation handling company, gained full 10%, closing at 7 naira 70 kobo per unit. Nigerian breweries gained full 10% today also, closing at 45 naira 10 kobo per unit. FCMB, the bank, today gained 9.97%, closing at 3 naira 86 kobo per unit. Fidelity, the bank, also gained 9.86%, closing at 4 naira 79 kobo. The top losers today were Champion Breweries based in Uyo, Akwa Ibom State, losing full 10%, closing at 4 naira 95 kobo per unit. Unity Bank lost 6.78%, closing at 55 kobo per unit. UBA, the bank, lost 3.61%, closing at 8 naira per unit. Jais, the bank, lost 3.33%, closing at 7 kobo per unit. Chip PLC today lost 2.99%, closing at 65 kobo per unit. Thank you for listening. Please stay put for the last report for the day.